chip bag template in Canva. This is a quick how-to guide. So once you click on the PDF, you'll be accessing the template. The template is pretty much editable. There's not many features that I have locked, so you have free range to really edit and design. I'm going to keep the theme of the birthday party that I'm planning for my granddaughter. So it's Princess and the Frogs. I already have a design already made for her chip bags and her water bottles, so I'm just keeping it cohesive. I didn't group the three lines on the top and bottom, so you can play around and change the colors if you like. You can make them all one color. You could change the colors like how I have it here, or you can just take them off and remove them completely. The text is editable. You can add in elements from Canva using the Elements tab. I do have Canva Pro, but there's a lot of great features that are available as well that you can implement in your design. And just have fun with it. Take your time. If you have a theme in mind, it does help with the design process. You can move things around, elements around. It's just a great starting point for you to get your design started. Even the background, you can change the color. Here I started with the blue and then I changed it to like a green color. Now, just a key note, I have two templates available for you. The first main template has a textured background, as you can see it here. You can, if you don't like that textured background, you can detach it or replace it. Or I have a second template below that is just plain. It doesn't have the texture background, but I want this template to be a little bit different than what you would normally see. Here I decided to add a frame around the photo just to give it more of a unique look. And I really had a lot of fun designing this chip bag template for my granddaughter. Again, these three lines up top are not grouped, so you can change them individually if you like, or you can just remove them. Here I'm adding some final touches. Once you're done with your design, you want to download it as a PDF. I'm going to download it as a high quality PDF. And then using my printer settings is what I'll default to. I'm going to be printing this on glossy paper, so I'm going to set my printer settings accordingly. And once I print my design, I'm going to assemble my chip bag. And I do have a tutorial on assembling chip bags if you want to check that out. Thank you so much for your support.